In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit employee information in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company and head to the main dashboard. To make these changes, you'll need admin or payroll admin permissions, so if you don't see the options I'm about to mention, check your access with your company's administrator. It's a good idea to do this when you're not in the middle of running payroll, so your updates don't collide with a pay cycle. From the dashboard, open the Team area. Depending on your view, this may appear on the left menu or as a tab within Payroll. The Team page is where QuickBooks groups everyone who works for your company, and it's designed to centralize employee records so you can keep details consistent across payroll and reporting. Next, open the Employees section. This narrows the list to people on payroll so you can focus on updating their records accurately. Keeping this information current is essential. It affects paychecks, tax filings, benefits, and year-end forms. Small mistakes here often show up later as payroll corrections, so a careful review now saves time. Find and select the employee you want to update. You can scroll, use the search bar, or filter the list to locate the right person. When you open their profile, confirm you've got the correct employee by checking identifiers like job title or employment status, especially if you have similar names. Inside the profile, choose the category you want to change and click Edit. Common areas include personal details, contact information, employment and compensation, tax withholdings, deductions and contributions, time-off policies, and direct deposit. Make your updates carefully and save before moving to another section. For addresses, ensure they're complete and accurate, since location impacts taxes. For pay rate or schedule changes, set an effective date so the change applies to the correct payroll. For withholdings, use the most recent form information on file. If you add or edit deductions, confirm limits and start dates. And if you update bank details for direct deposit, some banks require verification. Plan ahead so your next payroll isn't delayed. After saving, review the profile at a glance to confirm the edits took effect. A quick spot check now prevents issues later. If you're about to run payroll, refresh the employees list and reopen the profile to double-check key fields like pay rate, pay schedule, and tax settings. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks Online, open Team, choose Employees, select the employee, edit the needed category, and save. Keeping these records accurate helps ensure smooth payroll runs, correct taxes, and clean year-end reporting. If a field looks locked or you can't find a category, it usually means you need elevated access or a payroll feature enabled. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you make your updates.